Hello students, today I will be discussing solutions of exercise 8a, okay, from chapter 8, okay, linear equations, linear equations, okay, in one variables, okay. So here the question is solve. I'll show you few problems, the rest you can compare with the same type, okay. See number 2, solve. Here it is 5x plus 7 equal to 2x minus 8. You are very well known about this kind of question, solve. Whenever it is asked, we understand that solve means to find out the value of the variable present in the equation, okay. Here it is x, in some of the equation it may be y, it may be t, it may be m, it can may be any other alphabet or variable. So whatever we have, our aim is to find out the value of the variable present, okay, by following steps, mathematical steps, okay, that we are known to. So let's see, very simple, this kind. What do we do when we are asked to find out the solve this kind of equation? We first look at the like terms, okay. We take all like terms together. So here 5x, this side 1, 2x, x term, so like terms we bring one side by transposition. 2x will become minus 2x. This is constant, this is also constant, so we bring plus 7 here this side, so it becomes minus 7, okay. So x term this side, constant term this side, so 5x minus 2x, okay, it is obviously 3x, okay, and minus 8 minus 7, so we add 8 plus 7 15, since both are plus, it will minus, it will remain same sign, minus 15, that you know very well, okay. So now 3x equal to minus 15 by cross multiplication. Our aim is to find out the value of x, so whatever coefficient or terms associated with the x, will all try to get rid of those and we'll put on the other side by mathematical way, okay. So 3x equal to minus 15, how can we find out the value of x? If we do cross multiplication, 3 will come in the denominator of 15, so minus 15 by 3, so x equal to 3 5 15 minus 5, okay. This is how we find out the value of x, how we solve this kind of equations, okay. Here another question I will show you, suppose number 10, all right. Here also we are asked to solve, okay, solve, same, under the same question, solve. So number 10, how this equation to be solved, let us see. It is little different from the first one I have shown. So see this one, three t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Here also our aim is to find out the value of t, that is to solve, okay. Now since there it is a mixture of 2-3 terms and denominators are there, so it is not going to be that simple as we did in the first one, that is this one, but this can be done in a little different way, okay. So whenever this kind of equation is given, first what you do is, first you pick all the denominators and find out the LCM of that, okay. You know very well how to find out LCM, okay. You find out the LCM of this denominators. The LCM of these denominators 433 is 12, which I have not shown here, okay. You can easily find out and check. So 12, this LCM value you multiply both sides. Why to multiply both sides? To get rid of these denominators. If you get rid of these denominators, it will be easy for you, it will be little similar like the first equation, okay. Then the rest is same as you have done. So to get rid of this, what do we do is we multiply this LCM figure both sides. So 12 into the whole, 12 into the whole, okay. Very important, you have to put bracket, otherwise it will lead to a wrong result, okay, and you will lead to a wrong calculation. So 12. Now after that you multiply this 12 with both, okay. So 12 into, now this term 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 12 into 2t plus 3 by 3, okay. 12 into 2 by 3 minus 12 into t, like this you will go step by step. Then this denominator, this numerator you can cancel. 4 3 12, like this. 3 4 12, 3 4 12, okay. So what do you see? Denominators are cancelled out, and what you have in the numerator here? 3 into 3t minus 2, here minus 4 into, in bracket, okay, bracket you have to give because this 4 is with both the terms, the whole. So minus 4 into 2t plus 3. If you do not give bracket, it will mean it is only with 2t, it is not with 3, which will lead to again a wrong result. So you have to be a little careful in this case. Here 4 into 2, this 4, okay, is not with both, you mind that. 4 into 2 by 3 only, so 3 is already done. So 4 into 2 8, and minus 12 minus 12, follow. Now next multiply. 3 3 9 t, 3 2 6, sign minus, minus sign, 4 2 8 minus, minus plus minus, 4 3 12, okay. There is nothing to multiply, it will remain same. Now bracket is also removed, denominator is also gone. Now what you can do, you can look for the like terms and can do as you have done in number 1, okay. Now it is in this form. So in this problem, these are the steps, important steps which you have to perform. Afterwards the rest is just as you have done in number 1, okay, calculation. So like terms, 9t minus 8t minus 12t, if you bring this side transposition, 12 plus 12t. Here 8 minus 6 will become plus 6, minus 12 will become plus 12, okay, after transposition. So 9 minus 8t plus t plus 12t, 13t. 8 6 plus 12 26, 13t equal to 26, t equal to 26 by 13 by cross multiplication, okay. Here t equal to 26 by 13 by cross multiplication. So t will be equal to 13. If you divide 26, 13 1 13, 13 to 26, 2 is the answer, okay. So this is how it's solved. So you will get this kind of question, okay. You need not worry, only variables will be different, the terms will be in different way. You just need to follow the mathematical steps as I have shown, okay. Similarly, as I told you, here in number 25, you see 25 also, only variables are different. If you see here, m minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3, variables are different. Here also it's a combination of a fraction and a whole, okay. So need not worry, you just look at, since denominators are there, you look at the denominators here, 2 3. What is the LCM of this denominator? 6. So 6. So this 6 you will be multiplying, as I said, okay, in this solution also, okay. You have to multiply this 6 both sides. So how you multiply? When you multiply this 6, you will be multiplying with the whole, so whole bracket, okay. Again this 6 you will multiply with the whole, so bracket, okay. So then you multiply 6 into m, 6m, 6 into m minus 1 by 2, okay. So 6 into m minus 1 by 2, you will keep it in this form. 6 into 1 6, 6 into m minus 1 minus 2 by 3, then 2 3 6, 3 2 6, okay. So what is become 6m minus 3 into m minus 1, 6 minus 2 into m minus 2, okay. 6m 6m, 3 into m, 3m minus minus plus 3 into 1 3. You have to operate the sign also, okay, along with the coefficient. 6 6 minus, here obviously plus, so first term since it is plus, no need to worry about, it will remain minus. 2 into m, 2m. Here since it is minus, minus minus plus 2 to 4, okay. These things you have to see, okay, very well. So the rest is all, okay, same. Bringing like terms, 3m 6 6 minus 3 3, 2m again here brought like terms, okay. In this manner, 10 minus 3 7, m equal to 7 by 5, okay. So this is how you should do. If you see other problems also, with whatever mathematical way is suitable, we use and we find out the solution. Okay, so that's all from this video. If you still find any doubt, you can write in the comment section below. Okay, thank you.